Hello guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Since you guys seem to love my last video about making VSCO bracelets or whatever you want to call them, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make another type of friendship bracelet or VSCO bracelet or whatever. So this time I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a chevron pattern. This is pretty easy. Once you have done the type of bracelet that I had in my last video, which if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It will be in the link in the description. It will be at the end of this video, and maybe if I can figure it out, it will be in the iCard. Here or here. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So, here's my handy dandy bag of embroidery floss. You can pick any colors that you would like. The easiest to start with is probably 4, I would say. So, we're going to start off with 4. So, let me come back when I have found some colors. Okay, so I picked out my colors. I just have this light pink, light blue, dark green, and light green. So, this is pretty much the same beginning as the last video. So what you're going to do is take your string, make each piece as long as your wingspan, so that when you fold it in half, it will go about to here, so that you have enough to wrap it around your wrist or ankle or wherever you are putting it. So let me do that. Okay, once you have made each of your strings the same length, the length of your wingspan, you're going to fold them in half and then tie a knot at the top. If you're having trouble with any of these steps for the preparation or the beginning, refer to my last video where I explain some of the steps more in depth. Once you have tied a knot, make sure not to tie it too close, so make sure there's a little bit of a loop. Oh, once you have tied your string at the top, the last step is to just tape it to a table or a clipboard or secure it somehow so that when you tug on it, it doesn't move. Once you've done that, you are done with preparation and it's time to start knotting. Okay, to begin, we're going to start off with taping it to the table, whatever. Then, we're going to split each string into 2 sections. So, make sure that one of each string is on each side. Once you have split your strings into 2 sections, you're going to start knotting. So, the first knot is going to be a forward knot. You'll do 2 forward knots each string. So you'll do forward knot, so on until you reach the middle. Once you've reached the middle, you're going to start on the right side and do backward knots. Instead of doing a forward 4, you would do a backward 4, which I show here. Do that until you make it to the middle. Then, once you make it to the middle, you're going to take the 2 middle strings and knot them 2 times together. It doesn't matter which way, I usually do 1 forward and 1 backward knot. You pretty much just keep doing those steps until you've made it as long as you want. So once you have finished your bracelet and you've made it as long as you would like, you then tie it in a knot at the end, and you can do a sliding knot, or you can just tie it in a double knot on your wrist or ankle. In my last video, like I've kept saying, I showed you guys how to do a sliding knot, which you can check out in the description or at the end or in the eye, whichever place it's at. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this helped. I might make this into a series because there is a ton of different bracelets that you can make. Comment down below if you want it to be a series because you guys really liked the last video that I made about this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!